The Cambodia My Second Home program has been around for a couple of years, but recently it has undergone a big revamp. Previously, you had to make a $50,000 application fee plus purchase a property in Cambodia to be eligible. That's all gone now. In this video, we're going to share with you what the new updated eligibility criteria is, which is a lot more easy to access for most people, and what makes this program so attractive. So first up, we'll give you a quick program overview. The CM2H Cambodia My Second Home Visa is a 10-year residency permit. It also gives you a work permit to have similar working rights to what any Cambodian resident would have. One of the big things that sets this program apart is that after 5 years, you do have the option to apply for citizenship in Cambodia. Now, this is extremely rare when it comes to residency programs in Asia in general. There's a similar program or a program up in the Philippines that offers a pathway to citizenship, but generally citizenship in most Asian countries is quite hard to get. So this visa does offer a pathway towards Cambodian citizenship and a passport, of course, which makes it quite attractive. You'll also be eligible to open up a Cambodian company with 100% foreign ownership. No need for nominee structures like you need in places like Thailand. You can own 100% of this company. You can open a bank account and you can do business in Cambodia. Now let's get down to the eligibility criteria. This is where the big changes have taken place in this program. As I said before, it took a $50,000 payment, which you didn't get back, and you also had to purchase a property on top of that. And that was the only way you could be eligible for this program. Now there are 3 different options. You have the first option, which is a $50,000 one-off fee. So that part hasn't changed, but you do not have to buy a property if you choose this option. You don't get that money back, but you don't have to buy the property and you get full access to the CM2H program. The second option is the property purchase. So for this one, you have to purchase a government approved property, which at the moment the lowest amount you can get into this for is $85,000. There is a buyback option after 5 years with certain terms and conditions attached where they will buy this back off you for $50,000. So potentially you could be in it for $35,000 rather than the $50,000 in option A. And there is no application fee with this. That $50,000 in option A does not apply in this option. You just buy the property and you're in. The third option is a fixed deposit option. So for this one, you have to make a fixed deposit of at least $150,000. You will earn a small amount of interest on that, but that money will be locked up while you are on the CM2H program. The big advantage of this one is that if you decide to leave the program, you can take that money with you. That money is not gone. And also, you do not have to make the $50,000 application fee and you do not have to purchase any property. It's just a fixed deposit and that's it. So there's 3 really good options there for if you just want to pay your money and be done, if you want to purchase the property, or if you want to make the fixed deposit. Now let's talk a little bit more about what makes this program stand out. So Cambodia is an interesting place in Southeast Asia. It is still, it's not third world, but it is still developing, you would probably say. It is, people say it's like, Thailand 30 years ago, or Phnom Penh is like Bangkok 30 years ago. So while it has had some strong growth in the past, it still has a very bright future ahead of it compared to countries like Thailand, which are a bit further along than it. You've got a young population, you've got strong demographics. This is a good place to get started on the ground floor. I wouldn't say you're getting in on the ground floor now, but you're still probably getting in on level 2 or level 3. If you consider Phnom Penh being like what Bangkok was 30 years ago, and the option to take the pathway towards citizenship with the CM2H visa, making you a Cambodian citizen. Now, the thing is, in Cambodia, foreigners can't own land in Cambodia in their own name. If you are a citizen, you can own land in your own name. Imagine if you were in Bangkok 30 years ago and you were able to buy land in Bangkok. The possibilities here are endless as far as development goes, land banking, just buying any kinds of landed properties, shop houses, ground floor kind of properties. For people who are interested in property and interested in the growth of Southeast Asia, this could be an excellent way to get unrivaled access to the local economy that normally foreigners just aren't able to get access to. So whether you're looking just for a residency permit as a backup option, there's no minimum stay requirement for this visa, by the way, or whether it's more of a business decision to get the Cambodian citizenship and then access the Cambodian economy on level footing with the Cambodian citizens, it is a very interesting program depending on what you're looking to do with it. Now, if you've never been to Cambodia, Cambodia operates on a dual currency system. They've got the Cambodian rial and they've got the US dollar. So you're getting access to a US dollar economy in Southeast Asia. That means you can earn US dollars, you can bank US dollars, you can earn interest in US dollars without having to be in the US itself. It's a really nice way to get some currency diversification in Southeast Asia with the world's reserve currency. You're going to get the passport if you go down the citizenship route. So that means you're going to have an ASEAN passport, better access to the region, a passport with a country that has quite good relations with China. It's certainly, as far as talking about diversifications of passports go, you will get advantages and access with this passport that you wouldn't get, for example, with a European passport or a Western country affiliated passport. This is going to come with a separate set of advantages. So if you already have a Western country passport, this would be a really good way to diversify access to the world into the future. Now here at Offshore in Asia, we are official partners of the program, so you can apply for this visa directly through us. If you're interested in learning more about this, head over to offshoreinasia.com, click on the contact button in the top right, drop us a contact form and have a chat to us, and we'll look at whether this program is suitable for you, whether you're likely to be eligible, and if you then want to carry on and apply for the CM2H visa, we'll help you to do this. So we'll leave it there, guys. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you later.